The engine is the heart of the vehicle. I have to know every torque, every bolt size, every socket size, which part goes on before which part for every single engine. I started in October 1998 as a part-time, just to see if I would like it, because you hear so many stories like it's hard. I got here, I'm like, it's not hard at all. So we're at Sterling Heights Assembly Plant, and we build the Ram truck, and I'm the launch lead for the engine line. So I've created the whole engine line, every station, every layout, every job, and do the job. It was a great honor to be even asked for the position. I was a little timid. I didn't know a lot about engines, but once I started doing it, I got into it, and I just started asking for help. We have a launch lead per every area, so they was able to train me and teach me different things. We have meetings, and they told us later that the HEMI will be coming back. They told us at first, don't leak it out. We did a couple tests down the line, make sure everything is the same, engineer didn't change anything. So then we had another one come down. That's when everybody started finding out, and yes, everybody cheered. Everybody put their heart into it to make sure we can build it. We worked a lot of hours, but we made it happen. It feels so great to see one of these trucks. You feel proud, like, man, I built that.